Okay, the hip clip boss. Let's take it apart. First thing you need to know though, the hip clip boss is made of 3D printing materials. There's polycarbonate, there's different resins, there's ABS. So everything that you do on this, be very careful not to over tighten the screws. You can tear out the plastic very easily. Now, there's two kinds of Phillips heads. There's the #1 tip, I believe, and the #2. The #1 is the this main one here. Everything else is the #2 if you want to get it really right. That other one probably will work, but most of these are the smaller head. Now, I suggest that everyone do everything by hand. I'm going to use a power drill to get this done quick. We don't even need to speed up the film. We're going to do it in real time. Because I'm so used to taking these things apart. Now, that's the back clip, of course, for putting on a regular pants belt. But we're going to show you here how to put it onto a professional work belt, which is a 2-inch nylon belt like this, and it'll be able to slide back and forth. Now, just for your information's sake, I'm going to take apart the main piece, just so you can see how everything goes. Spring in there. Only thing you need to know about this is that the spring has a very specific way that it goes. The curl of it, you want it right about there because it grabs the back of this just right. Otherwise, it kind of has a tendency to slip and pop out. So make sure that curl's on that side. I'm going to put it back together real quick. I'll just do this by hand. Okay, so that's how that all comes apart. It's really lickety-split. Now what I'm going to show you is how to put it on like this. Okay, so we're going to take this piece of material right here. I already have one on here, just a prototype that's like clear. To get the pro back piece, which you must have to work with a 2-inch belt, if you really want to be serious about it, maybe, you know, for window washing, this is the way I've personally had it for like, I don't know, 10 years. You need to buy this extra pro back piece. It's for sale on the website. Comes with a couple of screws. Now what we're going to do is slide it on the bottom first, like that. Fits on real easy. Then you're going to put the boss in bottom first. Then it'll just kind of slide in there to the top. You want to kind of squeeze it together to get it to go. Now I'm going to set these in here. Start them with a regular screwdriver. I'll just start them just like that. I'll finish them off real quick with this. Oops. But what I'm doing here is I'm bringing them right down to flat, and if I need to, I will give them a little extra with this so I can really have a feel. I don't want to power them in there. The last one goes into the front here, right into like the nose of it. Just go ahead and put this in by hand. It goes in real easy. Once again, I'm just really, you know, maybe like 2 fingers, 3 fingers. That'll last on there for years and years and years. I have them on my belt. They've been on there for 5 seasons, just like that. What this gives you the ability to do, obviously it's on there real good. You can slide it side to side to perfect, you know, where it is on your belt. The last part is, if you get it into a position, I always suggest you start off like this, use it like this for a while. And if you kind of move it around, get it in the right position, then you may want to fix it permanently. The way you're going to do that is get a lighter, propane torch, your stove, whatever. You're going to heat up the tip of one of these. It only takes a little bit. I'll give you an example right here. Just that much will probably give you enough to make an indicator spot, because all you're going to do is find the center as best you can right in the middle here, make an indicator, and you need more heat than that. I let it cool down, but you need enough so you kind of push in an indicator. Then you pull this out of the way. You would be able to see them. I didn't do it enough to see them, but you'd be able to see them. then you reheat it, you know, really pretty good, and right at the tip, and you drive through. And the best way to do it, I'll show you right here, because I made some holes already, is drive through, make the hole nice and even, and if you go through, you're going to hit the cool part of the steel where you can kind of like finish it off and then pull it out. Now this is going to give you the nice nice holes. Then you'll pull this back over it, line it up with the holes, and you can use the screws that came out with the back clip. Go right in there, put them in there, and then that thing will be really positively fixed on the belt. You won't have to worry about it moving. So that's real nice. Obviously, to take it off, undo those screws. Okay, so there we go, guys. There is the Hip Clip Boss. It's amazing. It's wonderful. I've been using them forever. I can't live without them. It's the fastest way to work, fastest way to hold a towel, and you need one. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you about the custom buckle. Okay, here's the buckle. And what's really sweet about this is the way it sets up on your body. Let me see if I can show it on here. Generally on your body, this one's out of position. Oops. Come on. Okay, so generally on your body, and this one's out of position, you want a 1, 2, 3. Let me put this in there. You want a nice even spread between the towels. That's what works perfect. Then you need enough room for your, for me personally, my wash belt, my wash bucket on a belt is right here. I've got another tool back here, and I've got a razor right here. And that's all I really need. Been using it that way for 20 years. Towel, towel, towel. So if you didn't have it on the buckle, you would have to somehow put another boss right here, and it really messes with the buckle. It has to be right here. This is an absolute must to do the hip clip system correctly. Now what's really nice, it's ratcheting that comes on. We know when you order this, you get the belt with this ratchet on it. The only thing you have to do is customize this. Now I have the screws kind of sticking out because these aren't the right screws. I just didn't happen to have them right here, but they're slightly shorter. If I drove these in, I wouldn't be able to get this to go in. So you can see how it works. You can see this gear clicking. So when it's on you, you've easily got your thumb right here. Now, if you want to let it off, all you do is, I'm lifting up on that. If I lift up on that, it comes out. If I don't lift up on that, I'd have to break it to get it out. It's a very fine motion. There you go. So what's really nice, you start out the day, you got maybe 2 shirts on, maybe it's colder, you take off a shirt. It's so nice to just be able to get that right where you want it, or you have to add a shirt. You can, it's just so easy. And then with everything attached to your belt, you take it off, you hang it on your truck, lock it up. It's just so convenient. So the Zuckle, yeah, I can't work without it personally. Okay, so there we go, guys. There is the Hip Clip Boss. It's amazing. It's wonderful. I've been using them forever. I can't live without them. It's the fastest way to work, fastest way to hold a towel, and you need one. Thank you.